Hi guys, it's Peggy from Peggy's Tropical Garden. Thanks for joining me today. It's always great to have you. I have been searching the internet for months looking for a Greenovia Aurea, Hierro. I don't know whether or not you're familiar with those. If you're not, you're really missing out on something, and I think you're going to want one after seeing it. But I've been looking for these for months. They're not very readily available. I've never seen them in a nursery or anything here. So I found a seller, well, someone who was selling hers. She's not really a seller, but they arrived in the mail today. I intended to do an unboxing and everything, but you know I get excited about my plants and I couldn't wait. I just ripped them open, and you know, I've just never seen them before, so I was very excited. So not an unboxing, but I'm going to share it with you. I actually received 6 of them. Now they don't look like very much right now, but they will pinken up, and I mean very pink. You can see some pink on some of them. And when they open up, they look just like roses. Now I have another Greenovia. In fact, I have 2 others, but I've never seen these. You see that? Looks like a little rosebud. You can see some of the pink on the petals. I'm calling them petals. They're not petals. They're considered leaves. But I'm so excited about them. Of course, when they open, they'll be much more showy. I'll definitely do a video on them then. But since I didn't do an unboxing, and you know I can't wait, I'm getting ready to pot these up real quick. So don't feel cheated, but this will be a very quick video. If you haven't seen my other Greenovia video, it was on this one. It looks very different than in that video. Look at that. The leaves have actually opened up and curled over, and I had no idea how it would look because like I had never had one before. But I don't know if they all do like this and go flat on the top. Look how flat that is. But it's quite interesting. So I decided to consolidate some of my plants. So I'm going to plant this one in here. This is a Gomera, a Greenovia diplocycla Gomera. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, and if not, please forgive me. But if you look any of those terms up, you'll be able to find it. Now I do have a video on the Gomera. Once these Hierro, H-I-E-R-R-O, I think that's how you pronounce it, but once they open up, I'll do a video on them too. After I've researched them and see how they grow and learn more about them, because I like to be informed about my plants, as you well know. So these are going to be going in my house. And I'm just going to do something really simple because I don't know how wide these open. Actually, these cluster, so I'm just going to leave them a little space for now because eventually they will be going into a different pot. Now, I just wanted to do a very simple potting in here because, like I said, they're not going to stay in this pot indefinitely. So, and then I'm going to go with my black top dressing as always for my indoor pots. Just a light coating of that. Oops, sorry, I just put that in your face, didn't I? Sorry about that, guys. Just rude today. I'm just excited about these plants. Like I said, I had to do some serious research to get these, and looking everywhere and for months. And you can find them. It used to be you couldn't even find them. You can find them now, but they're pretty pricey. And I don't know. I'm not real into paying big prices for plants when I'm not sure, you know, I've never had them before because I'm always afraid I'm going to kill them. And so I don't want to spend a lot of money on them and then turn around and kill them. But I guess that's the wrong attitude. I will keep these alive, I promise. Well, I'll do my best to keep these alive. How about that? That sounds better to me, because I can't promise something that I have no, well, I can't say I have no control over, but I'll do my best. My skills are limited. How's that? So, okay. Nice simple arrangement. Top dressing on. I'm excited for these to pinken up and open. All right, and to give it a little bit more pizzazz, I'm gonna put some of this, some of this decorative glass in here. Just to make it look a little bit more showy. And it's, let me try to take it around here. Okay. How do you usually decorate your indoor plants? Do you use top dressing? Do you worry about all this? I'm sure I'm not the only one that goes through all of this. I will go back and change my top dressing and everything else if it's not looking right. But I don't know, I just like them to have a little bit of pop. Sometimes I like them really plain, but yeah, I think that adds something. All right, there you go. Let me hold that up for you. All right. As promised, a short video. Anyway, thanks again for stopping by Peggy's Tropical Garden. Your support is always appreciated. I hope you enjoyed this video and at least maybe got to see something that you haven't seen before. I know I did. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload a video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and I will respond. Take care. Don't forget to do something fabulous in your garden. Bye-bye.